Hi guys, Everything Dude here, and I've got a lot of magic tricks to show you. You've just seen that I've uploaded a brief video, so this is going to be my first actual video, and it's going to be a magic trick, and I'll show you how it's done. So, all you need is your two bare hands. This is the beauty of it. All you need is your bare hands. You may work out how it's done. It's better to do this in a group, but since it might be just you watching it, you might be able to spot it. So, all you do is put your hands out, and then turn your palms outwards, left hand over your right, clasp them together, and put your thumbs down. So you should have your thumbs down, and then all you do is twist. So I'll show you that again. Hands forward, palms out, left hand over your right, clasp them together, thumbs down. You need to remember that you've got your thumbs down. Thumbs, the most important bit of it. And then twist it. And you might have worked out how that's done, so I'll show you now. Right, the way I do this is there's a decoy. So at first you put your hands out, turn them outwards, right hand over your left. I've just realised on your screen it'll look different because of my camera. So clasp them together and thumbs down, and this is where the decoy comes. You tell them, you break them apart, and you show them your thumbs. Yep. And then all you do is twist them and put them together, so you'll just twist it back. So that's how it's done, and you can amaze so many people, and it's so fun to do. You can do it at parties, you can do it anywhere. You can even do it at school. So have fun with that, guys, and I shall be uploading another video soon. Thanks.